Yeah, this is the milk cows come inside the barn. Before they come up here, they wash in the bag. They got sprinkles. They got sprinkles to wash the udder. Yeah.
We cannot go see?
Yeah, you want some more close?
Yeah, let's go.
Just look.
Yeah.
They'll go to smell it.
Gotta move outside.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Smell.
Smell. Yeah, the smell, but the milk's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
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 Wow. Big house.
Yeah.
This one, this oh no, that's something.
No, that was.
They all relax and
Yeah. The machines work automatic. Oh. They come out automatic.
oh,
They come automatic. The weight, the bill, and the pounds.
Wow. So you guys do all day?
All day.
All day?
All day.
Yeah.
All day. Yep. 24 hours.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, what time is it right now? That's 12?
12.
Okay, this milk come back to milk it about 7 hours. Again. The milk price again.
So this is done.
Yeah, that one's done.
It's gonna go on now.
Well, the guy he let it go.
Oh.
I put iron before she
Oh, to clean?
goes. Yeah. That one you don't get bacteria. And,
Bacteria, yeah.
Oh.
Oh wow. So they go out. And then evening again?
They come in again later.
Oh.
Yeah.
So 2 times.
2 times. The milk 2 times a day. Every day.
Look at how big that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy's got some good food for the cow. That's why the cows are sick. The other, one guy over here, there's 2 of them.